can tell you, people, is if there isn't a God and this place wasn't created on purpose, we had really better get our game together. Just think. I mean, it's possible that we could actually be, just by pure odds and coincidence, the only life in the universe. We do not know anything different. We suspect. But can you imagine if we're the only ones here and in 3 days we get a notice that there's a meteorite that's going to take out the Earth, and we've squandered our intelligence and our ability and our capacity to travel abroad because we can't get along for just minor things?